Today's quick tip is about assertiveness. Speaking up with confidence while respecting others. Assertiveness means expressing your thoughts, feelings, or needs clearly and respectfully, without being passive or aggressive. Assertiveness helps you set healthy boundaries, earn respect, and reduce frustration or resentment. Here's how. Use I statements like I feel or I need. Be direct but not harsh, and always respect the other person's perspective. Try an I statement today and notice how people respond.